I would recommend David, I guess, through experience. I had, such great results, and during the whole process, David was there. Anytime that I had a question for David, and there were times he was in court, I'd leave messages with his receptionist. I would get a response that day. There were no delays. He answered my questions, and I never had to call back twice to ask the same question. He was very, very good at responding to my questions or my needs. Divorce is not easy to go through. Sometimes you wish it wouldn't happen, but this was going to happen. And David did everything that I expected, or he did more than everything. Knowing that I'm going through a divorce the first time and I'd been married a long time, he helped prepare me and made it easy if there's such a thing going through divorce. I guess compare it to when I played sports, you had butterflies. Well, I had butterflies when David sat next to me and we talked things over. I didn't have butterflies. I was ready as well as David was ready. I'd been married for quite some time, so something I didn't know what to expect, or to say I really wasn't prepared. But when I went to David, I found David to be professional, prepared, and honest. He had me prepared when we, for all these depositions, the mediations. So it took a while. This just didn't happen overnight. It was over a year that we finally went to trial and got a favorable decision. So David did a lot of, I would consider, homework, and he was when we went to trial, or we went to mediation, or we went to depositions, he had me prepared and he was prepared. It was a team effort, but David was the captain and did a great job. I had to go on the stand. He had me prepared up there, and then he asked some difficult questions, my ex, and she didn't perform as well, we'll say, but that was in my favor. And I remember at the end, David told me, he said, "You just let me do the talking now." And I guess each lawyer gets a time where they can just get up and speak about the case, and David did. And the judge, after what David said, he agreed with David. My ex paid most of my legal fees, and I was awarded everything I asked for. I didn't think that happens, but I stayed seated, but I was smiling from ear to ear. I was very happy with the results. If I hear of anyone going through divorce, I recommend David Wynne Law Firm because of the great job I know they did for me. Professional, prepared, and honest. I don't know of anything else you can ask from a law firm, and David Wynne Law Firm has all that.